Hi beauties, hi cuties, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and I hope you guys are doing perfectly fine. And first of all guys, thank you guys for your amazing support. And guys, I'm sorry about the background. I just feel like doing this in my room today because my living room is somehow dark and the natural sun here is amazing. But nevertheless guys, I hope you enjoy this video to the very end, and what I will be making review about, I hope you grab one or two serum that will probably help your knuckles or your dark feet, anything you just feel like you want to get rid of on your skin. Will probably dark feet, dark elbow, dark knees. It actually work good. If you don't have that patience, you don't feel like using the particular method I showed you guys, which I love using, but right now I will be giving out amazing knuckles cream serum you can actually use to achieve what you actually want on your skin, okay, to get rid of dark stubborn knuckles. But before then, if you are new on this channel, you haven't subscribed, kindly do me a favor, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. This way you can get notified anytime there is a new upload from me. And also please guys, before I begin, if you haven't been following me on Officialitohantv, in there guys, I normally do skincare reviews. Like when I mean reviews, it's not just like review like the one I'm doing particularly here. I make skincare review like shower reviews, shower routine, how to use skin product on your skin, and step by step how to apply it. Please just go in there. You would definitely love what I'm doing there. If you want to know how to apply any body cream or any body wash or anything facial, anything on your skin, in there I normally show it guys. So thanks for that. So guys, now let's begin. But before we begin, if you are new on this channel, you haven't subscribed, please kindly do me a favor, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. This way you can get notified anytime I upload a new video. And for my old and my returning subscribers, for my new subscribers, thank you guys for always turning in for me. I so much love you guys. May God bless you, protect you, and may your secret prayer be answered in Jesus' name, amen. So first of all guys, now let's just dive into this video. So first of all guys, I will be talking about amazing knuckles cream or serum or any place you just feel like you want to get rid of your dark spots. It might be your knee, your feet. You can actually go for one of these, and you can also use it to promise your hand cream. It works really good, okay? If you think it's too harsh for you, use it to promise your hand cream. You will still get the result. It's safe to use. And guys, before let me say this, any review I do on my channel guys, maybe probably have told me, yeah, I've used it, it's actually good, please you can just let them know about it. It's not a promo something, no. I make a review about different products, so whatever I give out here guys, maybe someone, my amazing supporter, it might be from YouTube here or from my Instagram, must have told me they have used it, so I have to make a review about it. Because I normally tell people, please, if you are using any product that you know is good for you, just let me know, then I can easily be boldly to tell people how nice the product is, okay? So guys, now let's begin. So what I will be talking about guys is this original A3 lemon lightening serum. So this particular one is made from Italy. So someone that is using it actually said she bought this, and this is actually work on her dark knuckles, and she only asked me if it's safe for her to mix it with her hand cream. So of which is very safe for you to use, for you to mix with your hand cream, for you to mix with your body cream, your face cream, because guys, it's actually good and it will condemn your skin. It all depends on how you use it. That is what I normally say guys. Don't abuse any serum in the sense that because you are looking for a quick way to get rid of anything you feel like you want to get rid of on your skin. You just have to be patient while using any product on your skin, okay? So this particular one guys is actually good. It will help remove your dark spot, it will help remove your dark knuckles, your dark knee. You can actually use it directly like this on your skin. If you are a fat person, you can actually use it to blend your knuckles with your skin, okay? Or you can also mix it with your hand cream to keep maintaining your hand. Immediately you apply it on your particular knuckles, and then mix some of it to your hand cream, then use that as a maintenance and use it to moisturize. Use the hand cream to moisturize your hand each time you are going out. Okay, so it's actually good. You can go and get it. If you are having serious dark knuckles, it will get rid of your dark knuckles. Okay, so the next one I will be talking about is this knuckles cleanse and clear for black knuckles. So this particular one is good. It works really good, but if you want to go for it, the maximum time you will get the result, it must probably 3 ways you will definitely get the result if you are using it, or the way they prescribe you to use it. So you can use it that way, you will get a result. You can also use it to promise your hand cream, there is no problem. You can use it directly on your hand, there is no problem. Your feet, anywhere you feel like you want to blend with your skin as usual, you can use it like that. Okay, so this particular one, the reason why I can easily recommend it for anyone, for those of you who are afraid of hydroquinone, for who are afraid of anything like hydroquinone, because people think that hydroquinone is actually something that condemns skin, because it's something that will lighten the skin easily, and at the end you might have problem with your skin. But this particular one now, guys, is hydroquinone free. You can use it directly on your skin without any problem. So you can go and get it and use it. Believe me, you will definitely get the result. Okay, but if you still feel like, okay, can I use it on my face, please? Because I know that question is very, very common for most people, for most of my amazing family here. You can use knuckles, this particular one, on your face to get rid of your dark your sunburn. No, it's good at dark knuckles, elbow, knee, feet. You can actually use it to achieve what you actually want to achieve with your dark knuckles. Okay, so you can go and get it. So that is just it for that particular one. Why this particular one, guys? This one is Omega Perfect Knuckles Organic Peel Therapy. So this particular one is with hyaluronic acid, which is perfectly fine. And please, if you are a caramel skin, before I proceed, before I talk more about this product, if you are a caramel skin, please, peeling your knuckles is not just all you want, but what you actually want is peeling it and blending your hand together. Let your hand blend together with your skin. It's what actually matters. Okay, so if you want to use this, if you are a caramel skin, please make sure you apply it just once in a day. It's not like morning, afternoon, evening. It's a dark knuckles remover, dark feet remover. You can just, if you feel like your feet is very, very stubborn, your feet, you can just take a drop and apply it directly on that particular place. It's not to be used like normal serum or normal oil on your hand, like you just put it like this, you just rub it. No, you have to take a drop, apply it on your dark knuckles, this particular place. Just take a drop, apply it, and also do it the same way with your feet, and believe me, you will definitely get the result. But if you are a fat person, you have fair before, you can just, if you don't have that time, you can just use it as your hand normal cream. Just do it like that, it's no problem. But I'm seriously concerned with my amazing chocolate and caramel skin people, because you guys know anything that will lighten up your skin, it's not what I actually recommend for people. For you guys, I actually recommend what will maintain your skin as usual. So if you are having dark knuckles, you just go for this. You can also take a drop from it, add it to your hand cream. It will still work for you, so that you will end up having hand discoloration, like your knuckles might be a little bit you might get rid of your dark knuckles while your hand has still remained the same, and it's not good. So you just have to look for something that will blend everything together, in the sense that if you want to go for this, guy, go for it. If you're a caramel skin, mix it a little with your hand cream. And also, if you feel like you want to use it directly on your hand like that, you can just take a drop and put it on your hand, and just once in a day, you will definitely get the result. So I'm talking about this particular one because that is how she said she's using it. And guys, her skin is her hand is very, very clean and it's nice. So the next one I will be talking about, which I've used, you guys know I normally make review about it, is something like, even if I'm sleeping, when someone just call me, please, can this particular product work for me? I will gladly say yes, it will, but it all depends on how patient and how you use it on yourself. Okay, so this pigment dose is actually good. It's good for promising, it's good for use directly on your knuckles, your elbow, everywhere, guys. It works really good. You guys know I normally make use of it one period like that. I was just doing everything about it, so I got to stop, so then try other product. That is just me, guys. So guys, that is all for this amazing video, and I so much appreciate you guys for always turning in for me. May God bless you. Please, if you have any question, if you have used any of this product before and you feel like it's good on your skin, feel free to let us know. Just drop your comment and I will let people know about it. Okay, so guys, catch you and see you guys in my next video. I love you all. May God bless you and keep you safe. Bye bye.